Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I do think this is the end of a wave 3, and if that is the case, we are very likely in a corrective wave 4, which this is the monthly time frame, so it's going to take a very long time to play out before we do end up going back up for another attempt up for the wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is all a wave 8 down right here. And eventually it is going to probably have to turn up, but it doesn't have to do it now. I mean, it could easily keep drifting down. At some point, it's going to have to make a correction to this move down, which would likely be a wave B, and then probably back down again for a wave C. I still think this 50% Fibonacci level is going to be the most likely target for the ABC of 4. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely down. It's still trending down really nicely. Originally, I was thinking that it might make a higher low and go up and start this wave B, but yeah, the trend has been down this whole time, and there's definitely no point in fighting the trend, which means I am definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Really, if you've been looking for shorts for the last several weeks, you've been killing it in these markets. Every single time you see a 1-2-3 pattern, 1-2-3 pattern, 1-2-3 pattern, you should be going short for the continuation of the downtrend, at least until it makes a break of structure. Now this hasn't made a lower high, but once it does make a lower high, I can move my structure here, and then if that goes up and breaks that structure, I definitely would become a buyer. Otherwise, I am only looking for shorts. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this was another nice 1-2-3 pattern. A nice engulfing move to the downside. Another perfect continuation pattern. Now, if this does go up, I will definitely ignore the move up. But instead, I will be waiting patiently to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend, at least until we get a significant break of structure to the upside. I am doing nothing but looking for shorts at the end of three-way patterns on these shorter time frames. Remember, the trend is your friend. So don't forget to join me in my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.